Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we will discuss current price of Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we will predict using technical analysis what will be their next target. Right, we can see that Bitcoin is now trading up around the region of 8,000, which is one of the big psychological level, and it's acting as a support at the moment. Currently, I would say the support stands at 8,000, between 7,800 to 8,000 level. That is around the support which Bitcoin is on, and it has to stay in this level or above this level in order to go up. If it goes below, then we are talking about 7,400, 7,500. Now it's struggling to cross 8,300 and 8,400 region, because that's the near-term resistance. As you can see, this is the region. It was in this region in last year July, and that is one of the resistance currently. Once it crosses this resistance, I'm looking at the next target would be around about 9,800 mark, pretty much closer to 10,000, one of the biggest psychological level again. But as of today, I mean, I can see it has to go up to that. It has to cross 8,300 to 8,400 level, and then next will be 9,800. But looking at the daily chart and looking at the daily indicators, RSI is an overbought region now, and same as MACD. That tells us that the price would either consolidate in this region, or it may come down a little bit and then make a further rise. So that's a daily one. But if you look at the 4-hour chart, 4-hour is showing a little bit of weakness. You can see the index is, it tried to cross 8,300 twice, but it failed. Perhaps it's trying again, but yes, it's showing the weakness now. You can see the weakness. The MACD and RSI is now going downward. The trend is down. There's a divergence coming in RSI, showing there's a weakness in the price. So I would expect price either to come down around about 7,000. It may stay. I think it's not gonna go down to 7,500. It can, but that will be the crucial level. So it will be a massive downtrend. But yeah, either it will stay here for another for a few weeks, probably in a day, and then it will start rising up to our levels, our target level, which is 9,800. So I'm looking 9,800 as a near future target. But yeah, the big job is the big challenge is to cross 8,300 to 8,400, which is this region here, one of the biggest ones. So let me draw a line here actually. This is the resistance here, and once this crosses it, that's the next resistance over here. Oh, here. Right. So yeah, struggling here. After that, next struggle here before it goes and crosses 10,000, the biggest mark. Right. Okay. So yeah, this is my conclusion, which I saw this morning, and I thought let me share with you guys and see if we can help some of you out there. So Ethereum is number 2 at the moment, and I've seen that it's gone quite high up in very short time. Now the chart over here is a 4-hour time frame chart, and I can see that the price is going up as we speak. Now looking at the technical chart, the technical indicators at the bottom, it's on the high. MACD is on extreme high overbought zone, and same as RSI. Now RSI was in the overbought zone, but now it has come down. So in a way, it's saying that overbought is fading away. So overbought thingy is going away. But again, I mean, I would expect, if you look at the Fibonacci levels, I would expect the price would come down at least up to this region, maybe around about 200 mark, 210 mark, before going up. Now my target would be in Ethereum is, it's going to hit, okay, this was my target, so 280, 289, yeah, something like that. And looking at this chart over here, that was the previous in the year 2018. This was a support, very high support and resistance zone. So you can see that the price is trying to hit that resistance. Once it crosses that resistance, the next target would be around about this region, which is about 400 mark. So it will touch 400, but the current and the short term would be crossing 300 to 320 mark. Now if it fails to break that level, it can, yes, come down to around about 225, 220 region, that sort of region, because I can see that the price is overbought. I mean, that's really high, very high price rise in very short time. Usually this is not a good sign, and the price will retrace eventually. It will come down before it can go further up. So I mean, you can see, yes, there was a drop this morning, and that was majorly not in Ethereum, but in other coins there was a price drop. I mean, over here you can see, no, it's not that much, but other coins fell off, like Ripple went down 12%, and the reason was that there was a news that came from Security and Exchange Commission that they're going to delay the Bitcoin Exchange Trading Fund, the ETF, to be on the market. So that took the whole dive for a while, and now market is recovering. As you can see, the Ethereum is now back on the same level it was in the morning, and same as Ripple. Ripple's trying to rise up as well, slowly and steadily. But that was it. And again, I would be positive on these coins, especially Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. I mean, I don't trade in Bitcoin for some reason. I don't have Bitcoin, so. But again, yes, I thought let me just give you an overview. These are my technical analysis. So in brief, I would say that the price target for that is around about 400 region. But yes, it has to cross the previous resistance, which was around about, if you go to daily chart, that was basically this region. Hold on a second. Yeah, that one. So that's our price target. I would expect the price to touch in this region, but yes, it has to cross these resistance levels. One of this one, and other one is 350, 355. So these are the short-term targets. So I will monitor the price closely. Now it's going, as we speak, it's going to touch that level. Now I do expect the price would be in this region for a while before it goes up to that region. So yeah, again, RSI on the daily chart is well overbought. That tells us the price can come down because it's not gonna go further, and same as the MACD, and it's a price rise, very high price rise in a short time. So I would expect the price to come down first before it can make a further rise. But yes, I'm positive that Ethereum target would be around about 400 region in coming months. So I'll keep an eye, and I will keep you guys posted. Please, if you do like the video, just hit like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will give you more reviews on cryptocurrencies. Thank you very much for your time. Thanks for watching.